In many factories, wire processing operations often encounter issues such as wire bending, uneven cutting, inconsistent lengths, and the need for frequent manual adjustments. Today, we would like to introduce you to this automatic wire cutting machine, which can transform raw wire coils into straight, precision-cut finished wires in just seconds. The machine automatically pulls the material forward, maintaining a steady rhythm for uninterrupted production. This continuous feeding design helps factories avoid frequent stops, keeping the production line moving smoothly. Before cutting, the wire passes through a precision straightening system. Multiple rollers gradually remove bends and tension from the material, ensuring the wire enters the cutting stage perfectly straight. Once straightened, the machine performs real-time CNC-controlled cutting using a flying shear mechanism. The cutting system follows the moving wire, allowing precise cuts without interrupting the feeding process. This significantly increases production efficiency. As the production continues, finished wires are discharged smoothly and arranged neatly. The entire process, from feeding, straightening, cutting, to finished output, runs automatically and continuously. The machine is widely used as a wire straightening and cutting machine for steel wire, stainless steel wire, and other metal materials. It is suitable for industries that require precise wire components and stable mass production. For manufacturers looking to improve productivity while maintaining precision, an automatic wire cutting solution like this can make a significant difference. By combining continuous feeding, CNC cutting control, and stable mechanical structure, it helps factories produce more, with less waste and less manual effort. From coil to perfectly cut wires, the entire process takes only seconds. This is how modern factories transform raw material into consistent, high-quality components.